In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to deliver feedback and grades through your platform quick and easy. If you're tired of complicated systems that waste your time, stick around because I'll walk you through a straightforward process that you can implement right now. First, let's talk about why you need a clear and efficient way to deliver feedback and grades. Whether you're a teacher, manager, or team leader, providing clear, actionable feedback is essential for growth. You want your team or students to know exactly where they stand and how they can improve. By delivering feedback and grades through your platform, you can streamline this process and keep everything in one place. Let's dive into how to make that happen. Start by logging into your platform and navigating to the Assignments or Courses section, depending on what you're using. If your software offers a dashboard, that's typically where you'll find these options clearly laid out. Next, locate the assignment or project that you need to provide feedback on. You'll likely see a list of submissions, and you can choose the specific student or team member whose work you want to grade or provide feedback for. Most platforms allow you to click on their name or submission to open it up for review. Once you're inside, take a moment to review the content. Here's where the software we'll be using really shines. It allows you to comment directly on the document or work being reviewed. This means you don't have to jump between tabs to write feedback in a separate file. Just type your thoughts directly on the document, highlighting what was done well and what needs improvement. This keeps everything in one place, making it easier for both you and the person receiving feedback to track progress over time. Now, when it comes to grading, many platforms give you an easy-to-use grading scale, whether that's a letter grade, a percentage, or a rubric. Choose the appropriate grade and add any notes if necessary. Some platforms will automatically calculate final scores based on the grading scale you set up earlier, which saves you tons of time and minimizes human error. A really cool feature on most platforms is the ability to send a notification directly to the student or team member once you've finished grading and leaving feedback. This ensures that they get the information promptly without having to check multiple places. Plus, with real-time feedback, they can immediately begin to make adjustments. If you're working with a team or multiple students, you can often use bulk grading tools. This means you can apply the same feedback or grading criteria to similar submissions at once. This is great for consistency and efficiency, especially if you're dealing with large groups. To keep track of feedback over time, make sure you're using a platform that stores previous feedback and grades, so you can easily refer back to past assignments. This is key for providing continuous, progressive feedback that encourages improvement. Finally, remember that the goal is not just to grade, but to give valuable, constructive feedback. Whether you're marking a test, reviewing an assignment, or tracking progress on a project, take the time to make your feedback specific and actionable. This helps the person receiving it know exactly what to do next. Key takeaway: to deliver feedback and grades through your platform, make sure you're using a tool that allows you to review work directly, provide clear comments, and grade efficiently. The software you choose should help streamline this process while keeping everything organized. If you found this guide helpful, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial to our software in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and start implementing these steps today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the free trial link in the description.